Home remedies for common ailments, colds and flu. Chicken soup. Research indicates it alleviates symptoms, speeds recovery, reduces mucus, and keeps you hydrated. Warm liquids. Enjoying hot herbal teas, such as ginger or cinnamon with honey, can soothe a sore throat while providing hydration. Salt water gargle. Gargling warm salt water can effectively alleviate throat pain. Honey. This natural remedy possesses antiviral and antibacterial qualities and is great in teas or warm drinks. Stress and anxiety. Lavender. Consuming lavender tea or diluted lavender essential oil can promote relaxation for both mind and body. Chamomile. Chamomile tea is known to calm the stomach and enhance sleep. Upset stomach. Abdominal massage. A gentle massage technique that offers relief from discomfort. Fennel, chamomile, or licorice tea. Drinking these herbal teas can provide stomach-soothing benefits. Immune support. Garlic. This superfood contains allicin, which offers antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Ginger. This root may reduce inflammation and help fend off infections. Pain relief. Rosemary essential oil. This oil may alleviate headaches, muscle pain, and various other pains. Allergies. Probiotics. Evidence suggests they help regulate the immune system and reduce allergy symptoms. Sore throat. Gargling with warm salt water. This remedy soothes pain and decreases swelling. Honey. Its soothing properties contribute to easing throat irritation. Nasal congestion. Steamy shower. Taking a steamy shower can help loosen mucus and relieve congestion. Camphor or menthol. Applying these around the nose can assist in clearing congestion.